Hi, good day. In this tutorial, I'll teach you how to use the link feature. Let's say, for example, you want to create an app, or I'm going to use a company as an example. Let's say, for example, your company has a website and you want to create an app for it, or you are a blogger, or you create news, you create content, and you have a web page and you want to create an app for that web page. The link feature is for you. It helps you to simply input your web page link and then turn it into an app. So I will assume you are already here, you're already under the feature tab where you're going to be adding the link feature. We'll actually have link and links. Link is a standalone link feature if you want to use a standalone link feature, and links is if you have many features that you want to combine into one. So I'm going to be using both as an example in this tutorial. So you can look through this list of features to see to get the link feature, or you can simply search for any features that you want using this tab. So here's the link feature. I'm going to add it here, and I'm going to, for example, I want to create an app for our Swift Score website, our football website. So I'm going to use this icon. I'm going to name it Swift Scores. I'm going to add the URL https://swift-scores.com/EPL live scores blah blah blah. So all you have to do is copy that web page URL and paste it in this URL section. Then you have three options to select in-app browser. When you select in-app browser, then that means the link will be open inside your app. If you select custom tab, then it will be open in the Chrome tab. The users will still be in your app. But if you select external app, then the user will be prompted to open the link either on Chrome or Safari or whatever browser that they choose to use. But that will defeat the actual purpose of creating a web app for your web property. So it is always ideal to leave the in-app browser unchecked, except in rare cases where in-app browser does not support all websites. If your website is not on HTTPS, in-app browser may not work. So you use the custom tab in this option. So I'm going to be using in-app browser for this one. Here are a list of other configuration options that you can do in this link feature. So it says show location bar. No, I don't want it to do that. Show a close button similar to iOS. No, it's ugly for me. Use hardware back button. Yes. So when let's say for example user is on the one of your web page, then they click further. So if they click back button, by default the entire app supposed to be closed. So you can set it here not to close the entire app. So when user click back button, it takes them to the previous page of your web page. So I'm going to select here. Removes navigation button. No, I don't want the navigation button to be removed. Remove the URL on the location bar. No, I don't want that. Enable zoom control. Yes. In some cases the text and the views of the web page that the user is on may be a little bit small, so they can use this zoom control to make it bigger or smaller, whichever one they choose. So this one is iOS option, more or less like the Android option as well. So I'm done with configuration. I'm going to click save. So I have just added our Swift Score website in an app. Let me show you how the website looks by visiting the website. I'm going to click go to website. Okay, you can see, so here is the website. So here is the website that I want to put into my app, or that I already did. So I'm going to click on see changes here. Then I'm going to click here. You can see Swift Scores. Then I'm going to click on it. Wow, you can see that the website has opened in my app. So I have just created an app for my website. So you can practically put any page, any web page that you want in this feature. So it has, remember I said it has the links feature too, like the collection of links. So it's just more or less like the collection of this links feature, links in plural. So I'm going to add it as well to show you how it looks and how it works. Okay, it has been added. I'm going to name it my organizations. Here you can add as many links as you want. You can add as many links as you want. So I'm going to put this as the icon. Then here I'm going to go to settings. I'm going to enable search. No, I won't do this now so that you can see the design better. So here it asks me to add pictures, but no, I do not want to add pictures. I'm going to leave it blank. Here I'm going to put a label. Let me call it servers. Let me add this one, and let me add in app browser. Then let me click save. You see, it more or less works like the link feature, but it's a little bit different. Now if you scroll down, you can see the link has been added. So that means one link has been added. I can add as many links as I want. I can add Matty Black and put another URL as well, like this one, and then click on save. You can see 2 links have been added. I can Swift Speed App Creator. I can HTTPS Swift Speed Upgrade.com. So I'm going to check this and click save. So I've just added 3 links here. You can add as many as you want. So I'm going to try to see changes now. Let me close this one. You can see my organization. But to me, it's a kind of bit ugly. I want to make it a little bit finer. I can come here now and upload the background if I want. Let me show you what I'm saying. How can I use as the background? Let me use this. I'm going to click save. I'm going to click refresh. They may not see any noticeable change here. So I'm going to go to settings. I'm going to enable search. Then I'm going to turn it to card design instead of the list design. I'm going to click save. Let me add the cover image. You can see, wow, you can see this one is a lot finer than the previous one, right? It's a lot finer than the previous one. So there are collection of links. There is the server, there is the servers that takes you to the page, and the Swift Speed App Creators that opens. You can see just open our web page. So I'm going to close it now. So that is how both the link and the links feature works. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please kindly subscribe to our channel. Thank you. God bless you. Have a nice day.